good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 1 from verse 67 to verse 80. Zachariah son. The Holy Spirit take control of John father. So him start to say, praise the Lord Israel God, cause him come and free him people. Him send one powerful somebody to save we. That powerful somebody come from the family of God's servant, David. Just like when they talk to him holy prophet them way back when and say, he might go save we from we enemy them and from the one them we hate we and have power for earth we. Him say him would have good to we father them. And he remember him holy promise. The promise he make to we father Abraham to save we from them we hate we. So we can do him one way to do and not afraid. So we can live one good and clean life till we dead. Me pick John, people are going to call you one prophet for the Most High. Because you are going to go on before him till him come and getting people ready for him. You are going to make God people know say the Lord has come to save them. He might go pardon them so them can get saved. See how God good and kind to we. The morning sun are going to shine down upon we. It's going to shine upon the one them where live in the dark and we're afraid for dead. And He might go show we how to live in a peace. The people grow up and get strong in a spirit. And him did live in the desert till the day him show himself to Israel. And God won this. Thank God